Imagine waking up to find money in your account, all while you were dreaming. It's not just a fantasy, it's a reality that's within reach. Picture this: investing in dividend stocks that pay you while you sleep, or creating an online course that generates income long after you've hit publish. Ever thought about real estate crowdfunding? You can own a piece of property without the hassle of being a landlord. Then there's affiliate marketing: promote products you love and earn commissions effortlessly. And don't overlook the power of print-on-demand services, where your designs can sell without any upfront costs. These are just a few ways to make your money work for you in 2025. The future of earning is here, and it's time to seize it. How many times have you scrolled through endless lists of passive income ideas, only to find the same old suggestions that feel more like a fantasy than a reality? Let's be real, most of those ideas are outdated or just plain unrealistic. But here's the truth: passive income is not just a dream, it's a strategy. Think about it: investing in dividend stocks, creating an online course, or even real estate crowdfunding can actually generate income while you sleep. The key is to find what aligns with your skills and interests. It's about building systems that work for you, not the other way around. So, let's focus on actionable steps that can lead to real financial freedom. It's time to take control and make your money work for you. Dividend investing is a powerful strategy that allows you to earn money while you sleep. Imagine owning shares in companies like Apple or Coca-Cola, where you receive a portion of their profits just for holding onto your stocks. It's like having a money-making machine that pays you regularly. In 2025, the landscape is evolving, with more companies increasing their dividend payouts and new opportunities emerging in various sectors. The key is to focus on companies with a strong track record of stability and growth. By reinvesting those dividends, you can harness the power of compounding, turning your initial investment into a substantial income stream over time. It's not just about making money, it's about building wealth that lasts. When it comes to investing, one of the smartest strategies is to look for companies with a strong dividend history. These are often called dividend aristocrats. These companies have consistently increased their dividends for decades, making them a reliable choice, especially during economic downturns. Take Coca-Cola and Johnson & Johnson, for example. Both have weathered storms and continue to reward their shareholders. Investing in these stalwarts not only provides a steady income stream but also offers a sense of security in uncertain times. So, next time you're considering where to put your money, remember, a solid dividend history can be a game changer. Imagine this: you invest in a stock that pays dividends. At first, those payouts might seem small, but here's where the magic happens. Instead of cashing out, you reinvest those dividends back into more shares. Over time, those shares start to multiply. This is compounding at work. Your money is not just growing, it's growing on itself. Think of it like planting a tree. Each dividend is a seed that can sprout new branches, and before you know it, you have a flourishing forest. The longer you let it grow, the more impressive it becomes. This strategy can turn modest investments into substantial wealth. So, the next time you receive a dividend, consider the power of reinvesting. It's not just about what you earn today, it's about building a legacy for tomorrow. Creating digital products is one of the most rewarding ventures you can dive into. Picture this: you dedicate just a week to crafting a stunning ebook, designing a sleek template, or filming an engaging online course. Once it's polished, you upload it to platforms like Gumroad or Teachable. The magic happens when your creation starts working for you, earning money while you sleep. It's like having a digital storefront that never closes. Plus, you can reach a global audience without the overhead costs of physical products. The best part? You can continuously improve and expand your offerings based on feedback, making it a dynamic source of income. So, unleash your creativity and let your digital products shine. Finding a niche is crucial for standing out in a crowded market. Instead of offering a broad how-to-cook course, think about what specific problems people face. For instance, busy professionals often struggle to eat healthy with their packed schedules. So, why not create a course titled 5-Minute Healthy Meals for Busy Professionals? This approach not only addresses a specific audience but also provides actionable solutions. The more targeted your content, the more likely it is to resonate. Remember, it's about delivering value that speaks directly to your audience's needs. Focus on their pain points, and you'll create something truly impactful. Imagine diving into the world of digital products, where the next big idea could be just around the corner. Picture this: you create a simple app that addresses a common frustration, and suddenly, it's flying off the virtual shelves. One moment, you're brainstorming, and the next, you're raking in thousands or even millions. It's exhilarating. The beauty lies in the unpredictability. Each product is a gamble, a chance to solve a unique problem that others haven't tackled yet. The thrill of innovation keeps you on your toes as you explore what resonates with people. It's not just about making money, it's about making a difference. So, what will your next big idea be? The suspense is part of the journey, and the rewards can be life-changing. Imagine being part of a high-rise development or a trendy apartment complex without breaking the bank. That's the magic of real estate crowdfunding. With platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mobile, you can invest in real estate with just a few $100s. It's like joining a club where everyone chips in to own a piece of the property pie. You get to diversify your investments and tap into lucrative markets that were once reserved for the wealthy. Plus, you can earn passive income through rental yields and property appreciation. It's a game changer, making real estate accessible to everyday investors. Why let the big players have all the fun? Did you know that with just $500, you can actually invest in a luxury apartment complex? It sounds unbelievable, right? But here's the kicker: you're not just buying a piece of property, you're stepping into a world where you can earn dividends from rental income and benefit from property appreciation. Imagine receiving a monthly check just for being a part owner of a stunning building. It's a game changer for anyone looking to diversify their investments. Instead of just saving your money, you can watch it grow while enjoying the perks of real estate. This is the future of investing, and it's more accessible than ever. Investing can be a double-edged sword. Sure, the potential for high returns is enticing, but let's talk about liquidity. When you invest your money, it might be tied up for years, and that can feel a bit like being in a financial timeout. You can't just dip into those funds whenever you want. But here's the kicker: while your money is on hold, it's often working harder for you than it would in a traditional savings account. Think about it, those low interest rates barely keep up with inflation. Meanwhile, with the right investment, your returns could outpace those meager savings, giving you a much brighter financial future. So, yes, you might have to wait, but the payoff could be well worth it. Imagine turning your creative ideas into real products without the hassle of inventory. With print on demand, you can design unique t-shirts, mugs, or posters, and let platforms like Printful or Redbubble take care of the rest. They handle everything from printing to shipping, so you can focus on what you love, creating. You set your prices, and every time someone buys your design, you earn a profit. It's a low-risk way to dive into e-commerce, allowing you to test different designs and trends without upfront costs. Plus, you can reach customers worldwide, all while enjoying the freedom of being your own boss. It's not just selling, it's sharing your creativity with the world. When it comes to creating designs, especially for t-shirts, it's all about finding that sweet spot between trending topics and niche markets. Take cat lovers, for instance. A generic cat graphic might get some attention, but think deeper. What about a design that says "introverted cat mom"? That's a specific identity that resonates with a unique audience. It's not just a shirt, it's a statement. People love to express their personalities, and tapping into those specific interests can lead to huge success. Look for those quirky phrases or relatable themes that make people say, "That's so me." The more targeted your design, the more likely it is to connect with buyers. So, dig into those niche markets and let your creativity shine. You might just find that perfect phrase that turns your design into a bestseller. Print on demand can be a goldmine, but it's not just about setting up your store and waiting for sales to roll in. The secret sauce? Marketing. You need to understand your audience and where they hang out online. Utilize social media platforms. Instagram and Pinterest are fantastic for visual products. Create eye-catching posts that showcase your designs in real-life scenarios. Collaborate with influencers who resonate with your brand, their endorsement can drive significant traffic. Don't underestimate the power of SEO. Optimize your product descriptions with keywords that potential customers are searching for. And remember, email marketing is still a powerhouse. Build a list and engage your subscribers with exclusive offers and updates. The right marketing strategy can turn your print-on-demand venture from a hobby into a thriving business. High-yield savings accounts and bonds might not have the glitz of crypto, but they offer a solid way to grow your money with minimal risk. Imagine planting your dollars in a garden where they steadily blossom over time. High-yield savings accounts typically offer interest rates much higher than traditional savings, allowing your money to work harder for you. And then there are bonds, essentially loans to the government or corporations that pay you interest over time. They're like a reliable friend who always pays you back. Together, these options create a financial safety net, ensuring that while the market may fluctuate, your savings can still thrive. It's about building a secure future, one steady step at a time. Did you know that some bonds maturing in 2025 are offering over 5% annual returns? That's right. With the Federal Reserve shaking things up, high-yield savings accounts are now a smart, low-risk way to grow your money. Imagine earning more while keeping your cash safe and sound. It's like finding a hidden gem in the world of finance. With inflation still a concern, these options are not just for the risk takers, they're for anyone looking to make their money work harder. So, why let your savings sit idle when you can take advantage of these opportunities? It's time to rethink how we grow our wealth. When we think about investing, our minds often jump to the excitement of stocks or the allure of digital products. But let's take a breather and consider something different: the stability of traditional investments. Sure, they might not have the thrill factor, but their reliability is unmatched. Think about it, while stocks can soar and plummet in a heartbeat, stable investments provide a steady return over time. It's like the tortoise and the hare, sometimes, slow and steady truly does win the race. By focusing on these reliable options, you're not just playing the market, you're building a solid foundation for your financial future. So, embrace the calm, and let your money work for you in a way that lasts. Imagine waking up to money flowing in while you sleep. That's the beauty of passive income. First up, dividend investing, buying shares in companies that reward you with regular payouts. Then there's real estate crowdfunding, where you can invest in properties without the hassle of being a landlord. Print on demand is another gem. Create designs and let someone else handle the production and shipping. Don't forget about affiliate marketing, promote products you love and earn commissions on sales. Lastly, consider creating an online course, share your expertise and watch the income roll in. Each of these ideas can pave the way to financial freedom. Embrace them and watch your future transform. So, there you have it, 5 passive income ideas that actually work in 2025. From dividend investing to print on demand, each of these methods has the potential to change your financial future. But here's the question: which of these will you try first? Or do you know another hidden gem for passive income? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips that can transform your finances. Your journey to financial freedom starts today. Imagine waking up each morning without the weight of financial stress. It's possible. Start by setting clear goals. Define what financial freedom means for you. Is it paying off debt, saving for a home, or building a retirement fund? Break those goals into actionable steps. Next, educate yourself. Knowledge is power. Read books, listen to podcasts, and follow financial experts. Surround yourself with a community that shares your aspirations. It makes the journey more enjoyable and motivating. Remember, consistency is key. Small, daily actions lead to big results over time. Track your progress, celebrate your wins, and don't be afraid to adjust your plan as needed. Every step you take today brings you closer to the life you envision. So, take that leap, stay committed, and embrace the journey ahead. You've got this.